Multiply 5 by 120 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. The second partial product is 100. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start 2 places to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. The third partial product is 500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 5 is 6. The whole negative number product is 600. So 5 times 120 is 600.